brother, you sneak up on me, sir. How are you?
Your laptop that.
Wanted to come rob me? I don't know who in a big man.
So, somebody offer you 20K, pick up a laptop, and you no question that?
A brother just called me and say, he might go give me 20K if you pick up a laptop.
So, why you? You don't know him, but him obviously know you.
That me I tell you, me no know him.
I think I know why.
That sound like you know more than me.
You'd be surprised at how much I know. You've been a runner for the Swamp Lane gang for the past 2 years. They can depend on you to pick up anything, from contraband to weapons.
Where you get them fairy tale story from? Work on construction site around the place.
Yeah, but that's your day job. What about the side hustle?
My side hustle is TikTok live.
Really? But unless I'm mistaken, your last time on TikTok live was 3 months ago. Shortly after that young man was, how you guys put it, on a live while going live. So you decide to tuck in and stay low.
How you know so much about me?
Let's check. The gang you hang out with has been in the news a lot lately. So, them a lay low and you keeping yourself quiet. You haven't been on any live lately. You're just chilling. But guess what? Everybody knows about Fearless Shaka. He will pick up and drop off anything.
So, I'm under arrest for that?
Oh, no. You're not under arrest. Although, come to think of it, you know, that might be the safest place for you now.
Alright, listen, Mr. Big Man. Nothing now go on for me. Somebody decided to tuck in and change the hustling.
Okay. Let me get this straight. Somebody offer you 20 grand to pick up a laptop and you just say yes? Who you be? Amazon?
Well, me just see it as easy money.
Easy money?
It's just a laptop.
Oh, it's just a laptop. Lord help me. Is it something in the food that made this generation like the whole born artistic? Not trigger, not no person. A laptop in the corporate area. 20 grand for pick it up?
Well, just did the pre-say has something important there on it. And it's none of my business anyways.
Okay. He thinks. Did you think that is why it would be dangerous? Ding, 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 ding.
As I said, I know my business to depend on it. We just get a pick-up point and a drop-off spot.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jamaican transporter. You don't want to know where in there. You just want to know where to pick you up and where to drop it off. That's all.
Well, something like that.
Do you know what the difference is between the movie transporter and that one, yeah? The one on the screen in the real. This one, yeah. Him can end up prison. Or better still, in a pine box.
Never know so this is the richest thing. Because they really need the 20K.
Just because you have never been caught doesn't mean you will never be caught. So tell me something now. Where's the drop-off point?
So how me know so you're the good guys? The youth them will pick me up never have no ID, no sir.
Earth to Shaka. If we weren't the good guys, you wouldn't be in an interrogation room. You'd end up on a morgue slab sporting a toe tag. So tell me, where's the drop-off?
Behind the whole supermarket in a poor man.
Good. How hard was that?
So we can leave now?
Come on. The two gentlemen that picked you up, they'll take you to a point so you can walk to the rendezvous for dropping off the laptop.
So me still have to do the drop off?
You really don't have to, you know. I tell you what. Give me the 20 grand and me do the drop off for you.
Alright, big man. Me deal with it.
You said that like you have a choice. Tell me something. Why are you still here? So hold on. This is where you're going to drop off. Mr. Burgess, we'll be in touch.